Hey, a good day to you. This is Rayn, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. Pound dollar on the daily chart is still on a bullish run. As expected, this could be just a retracement, a downward channel. Then market may break and close above, having a longer term high movement. All right, moving towards the higher side. Down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that right now market has break and close. Not really, because there's a long shadow over here, so I retract that. So it's testing the resistance and the sell zone over here. So any counter trend traders can head in for a buying opportunity, or rather a trend trader can head in for a shorting opportunity, because created of two lows over here. Market has not break and close above the recent high over here. All right, down to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, you can see pretty much the market has a bearish movement. Then it just have a very steep upward movement, break and close above the high one time. All right, so for trend traders, if you are heading in for a shorting opportunity based on 1 hour and 4 hour, you may consider that because on the longer time frame, I'm also planning for a buying trade, but I will need a bit of retracement before I'll plan for my buying trade. All right, so just sharing my thoughts on that. Let me share with you my analysis. All right, so over here, we have two things over here. First, we have a trend line, a break and close above the trend line based off the daily chart, a sign of a potential upward continuation. However, on the lower price, the bullish bet is still valid at 1.2347. You can wait out for that. Down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see market right now is retest on the previous high. What you can observe is to see if there's any shorting opportunity. No harm. It gives you the best reward is the risk ratio over here, but of course the risk is much higher as well, because any break and close above will have a higher potential to push the trade up. Down to the 1-hour chart, this is what I have over here. And the market did a double top with RSI divergence. All right, so I'm waiting for candle confirmation, at least a 3-bar reversal, meaning say that by 7 a.m. I like to see, or latest by 8 a.m. a break and close below 1.3034. That will get me interested in the selling trade. Traders who are much conservative can wait for the break and close below the trend line and retrace back up to short it down. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. If you love to learn these by yourself and receive our trade ideas, you can scan this QR code, head on to Trade Ideas package, or you can even join us on a webinar on 24th of March to see if you love my teaching, then decide later. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan and look